Students, this is question number 3. You have to draw the figure. So you have a straight line and then a diamond shaped figure. And then you have a hit like this. Now this point is T, this is S, this is R, this is 73 degrees, 129 degrees and 75 degrees. You are expected to find this angle. So what we are given? We are given PQRS is a quadrilateral and RST is a straight line. We are asked to find PST. Okay, so this is the solution. Since PQRS is a quadrilateral, this means the sum of the angles is 360 degrees. So this means 73 plus 129 plus 75 plus this angle at S. I'm going to take this as angle at S is equal to 360 degrees. Now you sum up all these things. 129, 73, 12, 1, 10 and 1, and then 75, you get 7, 277. So angle S plus 277 is equal to 360. So angle S is 360 minus 277. So you subtracted 10 and 3, you get 5, and then 83. So angle S is equal to 83. But given RST is a straight line. Okay, this means angle at S. So I will have to make the following representation. Instead of saying angle at S, I will write it like this. So angle PST, okay, plus angle at S will be equal to 180 degrees. So PST is equal to 180 minus angle at S, which is equal to 180 minus 83. This is PST. So 180 minus 83, 10, 7, you have a 7 there, 17, and you have a 9. So this means PST is 97 degrees. That's the solution for this question. So we move on to the next one.